Okay, so I just wanted to make a really quick video kind of helping you guys out with your graphs just to make sure you've done them correctly. All right, so let's look at data table 1. So again, we have distance, which is on our y-axis, and that is in meters. Time is along the bottom. So you need to make sure that you have an even scale so that your things are spaced evenly. So like time, we've got 5 seconds, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is what I'm going to put on the bottom here. So 1, 2. Obviously, give yourself a little bit more room there between your label and your numbers. All right, so distance, it's all 3, but I'm still going to like give myself plenty of room. So like 1, 2, 3. And so then you're going to like plot these points. So at 1 second, we went 3 meters. Right, at 2 seconds, we went 3 meters. 3 seconds, 3 meters. 4 seconds, 3 meters. 5 seconds, 3 meters. Right, then connect your dots. Okay, so the first one should be fairly straightforward. So let's look at number 2. So again, distance is up and down. Time is along the bottom here. All right, so again, I have 1 through 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Again, spread your graphs out. Don't just like squish everything into these first 5 blocks. Right? You have plenty of room to fit 4 graphs on that sheet of graph paper. Make them big so that people can see them. Right, then we need to go up to 15 meters. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 9. I'm going to make this smaller and move it. No, hold on, I've messed this up. All right, there we go. Actually, no, I'm going to fix it again. Okay, I really have to fix this time. So again, on the bottom I have time, which is in seconds, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Okay, and then I'm making every block 1, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But I'm gonna mark every third one just so it doesn't look as cluttered. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. So again, it works out nicely for this one, but we're not always going to be able to just put the numbers. So like this one, that's not going to work, but I'll show you guys how to help space those out. So again, at 1 second, we went 3 meters. At 2 seconds, we went 6 meters. 3 seconds, we went 9 meters. 4 seconds, we went 12 meters. And 5 seconds, we went 15 meters. And then connect our dots. Okay, so then let's look at kind of how to set up the graphs for 3 and 4. Okay, so like in data table 3, right, we have a lot larger numbers here. So we're going to have to scale our graph a little bit differently. All right, so I'm going to let every block be 10. So like I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 110, 130, and we need to go up to 180, so I need to give myself a little bit more room here. $50, $170, so 180 is there, so 190 is up here. All right, and then again, we've got, how many seconds here? So we have 0 through 6. So again, 0 is going to start here, obviously. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Right, so then you're going to plot your points. Right, and so when you need the ones that end in 5, you're just going to put your dot kind of in between those marks there, okay? Right, so again, you're going to need to come up with a similar scale for number 4 to plot your graphs. If you've messed up, there's graph paper in the black drawers on the silver table. If you need to, redo it. I want these nice and neat and labeled. If you want to, make your lines colorful. Make these look good, right? I'm giving you a quiz grade for these worksheets here, so for pages 8 and 9. Right, once you finish that, staple it and turn it into Miss Jones because I want to look at your graphs when they're done. And then start working on page 10.